To search PubMed for works by a specific author, enter the author's last name and initials in the search box. Use no punctuation. Let's search for articles written by Fiona Melanie Wood, a burn specialist and inventor of spray-on skin. We've entered Wood FM in the search box. Click Search. PubMed locates articles by authors with the last name and initials used in the search. If there are multiple authors with the same last name and initials, find one article that you know is by the author of interest. Here, I'm looking for articles by an L.A. Baker who researches pancreatic cancer. The author we are searching for has contributed to the article Modeling Pancreatic Cancer with Organoids. Click on that article. From the article abstract display, click on the author's name. Clicking on an author's name in PubMed runs a computed author algorithm. Using co-authors, institution names, and subject terms, this algorithm finds other articles that are likely by the same author and moves them to the top of your search results. Another way to find articles by an author is to use advanced search. In the Search Builder section, select Author. Enter several characters from the author's last name, then select the author name from the autocomplete menu. Enter Barrio D. And select Barrio DJ. Some, but not all, PubMed records contain the author's full name. For the most comprehensive results, use only the author's last name and initials. Click Add, then click Search. To find all works in PubMed by this author,